Y'all check this out. As soon as the camera shuts off, let me check out this bad boy. Oh yeah. Check it out. What's up, y'all? Hey, this is Matt. Gonna head out of here this morning and pick up the boat. See if we can get on some fish today. We're gonna drive on over to Illinois. Had some storms last night, but we're gonna see what we can get into. Toss a couple different baits around, see if they're gonna bite. But either way, you know, any day fishing's better than not fishing. So let's go see what we can get into. All right, y'all, we're gonna go check out this lake we just got here. Not too bad of a boat ramp here. I'll let y'all take a look. So, a little bit of wind, but it's actually not too bad. It was calling for some pretty decent gusts today, but I think we're gonna be all right. A lot of good spots here where I think we can cast out and hopefully get into some fish today. Yeah, don't look too bad at all. Yeah, not too bad at all. All right, well, let's go ahead and get this boat in the water and get her rolling. Oh, there we go. Oh, man, that was a good bite. You could see it too, actually. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. Of course, we're fighting the wind here, but that looks like a pretty good sized bass. Let's spin her on around here. Try that again. It's kind of a soft bite too, halfway up closer to the boat here. I actually see it grab on. Caught me off guard. Let's get another one here. Oh. Get over here on this side, push this away from that wind maybe, so see what so we got some clouds in the sky, pretty clear overall though. Days like today, if you're out fishing when it's windy, what's your go-to lure here? Chatterbait, spinnerbait, crankbait. Now, I feel like this would be a good spot for fish to be. Y'all check this out. As soon as the camera shuts off, let me check out this bad boy. Oh yeah. Check it out. Nice fish, y'all. Look at that. Not a monster, but nonetheless, ain't a bad little fish there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Nice fish there. Smaller than the last one. Smaller than the last one. Ain't bad. All right, fish on here. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Can't complain. Wasn't the strongest of bites, but they're really going after. Check it out. Not a monster, but still nice fish there, you know. Y'all, got another one. Another small one, but hey, you know, better than not catching anything. All right, well, that wraps up the day. Several hours of being on the water today, not too bad. Got five bass, got a few bites, lost a couple. Biggest one was only 15 inches though, but still a great day on the water. Got some fish, so they're biting, they're starting to get more active, so looking forward to the next day. But yeah, check this out, y'all. Isn't that beautiful? Nice and calm now compared to what it was this morning. Definitely way less windy. But all right, until next time.